2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.